to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys what I do with my hair during this quarantine because I'm struggling, and I'm sure plenty of you out there are struggling with your hair when we can't go to hair salons, we don't know what to do with ourselves, can't get our nails done. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my tips and my tricks. I'm not a professional. These are things that I've learned on the internet that have worked for me and tools that I have used that work for me. Before we get started, girls, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to say hi to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for joining. This is the main tool that I will be using today to do my hair, and I'm going to show you guys some products that I use. We need to know some things that we definitely need to put in our hair before we use this tool. First of all, just like any other tool, it is producing heat, and heat on your hair can damage your hair. I try to not use flat irons on my hair. When I go to the salon, I get like rolos. They're you know the little, what is it called in English? Whatever. In Spanish, they're rolos. They're like rolls, and then you go under the dryer. So we're gonna put in some leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in conditioner that I use is by the brand called Cosmera. This is their energizing leave-in conditioner. After I put in my leave-in conditioner, after my hair is washed, I take my Tresemme heat protectant and I just pretty much spray it all over my hair. So again, this is what I do for my hair. If you have a different technique or you know of a different video that I should be watching, please let me know. Now that I have the heat protectant in my hair, I have the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I'm going to quickly part my hair. I use butterfly clips to grab my hair. So this will be the first piece of hair that I work with. So this is the Revlon blow dryer, okay? It is a brush slash dryer. This is going to brush and dry my curly wavy hair. Just so you guys know, this only has 3 settings: cool, low, and high. I use high to brush out my hair. The bristles are really cool. You're gonna hold it just like this. So I just want to start off with this piece right here. I'm gonna turn it on. And all you're going to do is you're going to grab it and you are going to pull. So that is just one swipe. We're going to keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even grab your hair and go under. Alright guys, so this is the first piece that I blowed out. I just want to show it to you guys so you guys can see the quality of the blowout and the shine that it gives my hair. It takes about, I don't know, probably I would say like 10-15 stripes. I have curly hair. It is thin, and you have to understand that if you have thicker or longer hair, it is going to take you a longer period of time. It takes me about 30 to an hour to complete my hair, depending how damp it is and depending on different factors. So best believe that when I first tried this, I got very excited. I love the way that my hair feels, and it just looks really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this. We're going to blow out the rest of my hair and see how it turns out. Let's go. And that's how you do your hair during quarantine, girl. So let's find out how long it actually took me to do this. So about 40 minutes, I would say. You have to give or take. So about 35 to 40 minutes for me to complete this hair right here. I'm going to use this UV protection finishing spray, also by Cosmera, and I'm just gonna spritz it around my hair. Now this is kind of like a shine finished oily product. You don't want to put a lot on, but it gives your hair a beautiful, beautiful finished look. Alright guys, so final thoughts on the Revlon Salon Blow Dryer, okay? It is a brush and a blow dryer. I used it to blow dry and style my hair. Pretty much, I do love this tool, but I can say that it gets very hot. So I cannot use this tool consistently because over time, I do feel like, because I do have thin hair, that it will damage my hair. So I only use this tool during emergencies, like the quarantine. I can't go anywhere to get my hair done, so I'm gonna do it myself. Sometimes, like if there's like a last minute event, I'll use it, or if I want to touch up my hair on a low setting before I go to work, that's what I use it for. Would I suggest using this every single day if you have brittle or dry or damaged hair? No, but it's a good tool to have when you can't go to the hair salon. Like, I love using this at home, and you can order it on Ulta, or I think Target has it, and Walmart. Who else? I know somebody else has it. Oh, and Amazon, of course. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or whatever down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't leave without subscribing, girl. I'm watching you. I'm watching you.